welcome to video number 2. Now in the next stage of the process you need to upload the video that you just created on your PC. You need to upload it back into Camtasia. And the way you do this is just click import media. So we'll click that. So whatever video you've got on your PC that you need to edit, you just click the import media and then come to your Camtasia folder, and then I'm going to select Camtasia test video. This is the one that we created, didn't we, in video number 1. So click open. Now the video will appear at the top there. What you then have to do is just click the video like that and then right click the video, and then you can either go add to timeline or you can just click the button, click the video and drag it all the way down here. But to make it nice and easy, just right click and just click add to timeline, and this box comes up. The video will be added to the timeline at the bottom there, and this box comes up here, and all you then do is just click OK, as long as it's 640 by 480. This is the size I always make my videos. This is just a standard size, and this is all you need to really do. So keep the dimensions the same as what I've got here, and then just click OK. And then what will happen is the screen will slightly readjust, and then you're good to go. And there's a couple of extra things you need to do before you start editing your video, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. The first one is, you'll notice here, look, this is the timeline, this is your actual video here. You'll notice in the timeline underneath the actual video you've got these little things here. Okay, what you need to do is right click in this area and remove all keyframes. What happens is when you upload the video, or when you add the video to the timeline, Camtasia automatically adds in keyframes where it thinks it should give you a certain zoom or a certain pause or something like that. But we don't want that. We don't want Camtasia to automatically zoom and create different effects in our video for us, because I'm going to show you how to do that yourself, and it's a lot more effective than what Camtasia does. So what we do is just right click and remove all keyframes. As you can see, look, it says, are you sure you wish to remove all zoom and pan effects? I'll show you how to zoom and pan later in the course. It's really simple to do, but we don't want Camtasia to do it for us, because the way I do things looks a lot better than how Camtasia does it. So yes, delete that. So now we've just got a basic video on the timeline ready to be edited. So if we click the button here, it then plays. As you can see, look, it's only 1 minute 16 seconds long, but this was the example video that we created in video number 1. Now the last thing to do before we start properly editing the video, and this is really important, this is how you can make your audio crystal clear. So what you need to do is go to audio enhancements, click that and just click remove noise, and what it does, it just cleans up the sounds in your video and it just makes it crystal clear, and it just makes your video sounds a lot more sharp and a lot more clear. It's a great feature to use in Camtasia because it just gives that extra finish on your videos, and it makes them a lot more professional when they're nice and clear and the audio's top quality. So that is it for video number 2. So we covered importing your video into Camtasia, and it appears here. You then change the dimensions, or just make sure the dimensions are, as I said, the same as what I use. Click OK, and then the video gets added to your timeline, and then you go to audio enhancements and make sure that you clean the noise levels up, and then you also go down to the timeline and remove any of the keyframes that Camtasia automatically put in there for you. And once you've done that, we are then ready to go on to the next step of the process, where we actually edit the actual video itself, and we can add lots of different effects and stuff like that. So that's going to be coming up in video number 3. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will see you again in video 3.